Okay, this is Coach Zeke of Coach Zeke's videos. Just doing a little, not a full-length video at all, but got some fireworks today. I got back here behind the camera to show what we got going on here. We got a panic attack shells. There's 72 of them in there. That's a whole case. And then we're going to try these Strong Man cakes, also by Winda. I'm not sure just how good them are, but hopefully they're pretty good because I got a whole fucking case of them. So we just got the magazine open. We had a bee and a deer tick problem going on there, so we had to get out the insecticide a little bit. But anyway, try out these Strong Man cakes. Strong Man, I guess. Maybe I should work out with these. Do some weightlifting. Well, apparently I should, because I kind of half-assed decided to do the Milton Mud Run, or the Milton Mud Challenge. That's what it's called here in Wisconsin. And I didn't realize until I looked on their Facebook site and saw some of the obstacles, and I didn't realize that some of them existed. So either this fucker's gonna have to go around a few things, or he's gonna have to eat his fucking Wheaties, one of the two. But anyway, we got these fireworks that we're gonna put in here. We're gonna put them in the magazine and see how they. Oh, the other thing we'll probably do with these, since they're new, is we'll demo one of these ones some night. So shoot one of those fuckers off and show you how good they are, or how bad they are. Actually, I saw a video on YouTube today. They looked like they're pretty good. But anyway, we got our insect problem kind of eradicated, so we're putting those fuckers in there and we'll call her good. There's a lot of fucking insects out here. You get a fucking bug bites like that. Pretty fucking classic. That's not a tick bite, but that's more like a fucking half-assed inbred mosquito type of motherfucking thing. But anyway, putting these in the magazine and starting to get our stash going for the 4th of July. Yep, that's what it is, though. So I'll be Coach Zeke, I guess, signing off pretty soon. Hopefully we'll get this locked back up, and we had some hornets coming out of there and some other jack shit things, and we got the fireworks transported back here to the magazine here. We were actually following some Amish there on the way down. It was church day, you know, being Sunday and everything, so there was quite a parade of them. So we were following quite a few Samuels on the way back from the fireworks place. So I guess what else is there? You can hear the dog in the background. And other than that, I guess not anything too exciting to show you. I mean, if we got really fucking bored, we could take you down to the farm pond and show you a fucking snapping turtle, but I don't really think anybody's too interested in that unless fucking Call the Wild Man might be down there, fucking Ernie or whoever the fuck his name is. But yeah, anyway, I guess Coach Zeke's signing off. We'll have to demo one of those strongman cakes, see how fucking good they are. So that's good for now, I guess. Oh, okay, this is Coach Zeke, Coach Zeke's videos. Back again, we're just about ready to do the pyro demo on those strongman cakes, and right now I look like a piece of fucking shit because I just got done running a 3-mile run for the day, and the dog's making a lot of noise because she's getting real excited. Just got done doing a 3-mile run there, so got a 5K coming up on Saturday, so we'll see how that goes. Oh, here's one thing we didn't. Oh, dog, you're making too much noise. Here's the one thing we didn't show you though. Hat light. Check that out. A light that goes on your hat. for lighting fireworks or what have you. Yeah, like pulsing thing. I'll have to try that out too. Now for the dog. This is the new dog around here. And one has to remember that she's a female, and I'm going to show you her new trick. Well, this is something she's demonstrated to us. It's not much of a trick, but I can't say I've ever seen a female dog do this. Hi there, dog. Oh, she's named Shanny, as in Summer Shanny. You know, it won't take her very long to demonstrate. As you can see, she's got an excavating service going on here. Right there. Now, you ever seen a female dog do that? Now, that is fucking impressive, let me tell you. Now, that's got to be one of the stupidest fucking things. And you got to remember, she's a female dog. She's a female dog, but I don't know if she's sure. So, more Coaster Zeke intelligence. Oh, well, I guess we'll shoot up firework cake after a while, so. No wonder that one thigh is giving me trouble. When I go for my 5K runs, the chiropractor told me the dog fucked that thing up. Anyway, so enough of that, I guess. The dog's drinking water right now. Digging a lot of holes. Alright, this is Coaster Zeke video. We're actually going to do the fireworks demo now. And before I was fiddling with this little fucking thingy. Oh, there we go. Oh, we're going to see how we're going to demo the hat too, the hat light. So, yeah, I'm shining a light on the subject. I am the light, the truth, and the way. Which reminds me, I was too fucking hungover to go to church this morning, but me and my brother are going to a Striper concert. Remember them guys from the 80s? It's like a religious rock band, I guess. That's the best thing in church. Anyway, we're going to go down there and we're going to see what that Strong Man cake is like. But before that, we're going to shoot off a couple of the Winda Echo and Ear, which I got a case of today. And these aren't even out of the case. There are a couple that I had left over from before.